Dear BC Social users, following feedback on user experience from more than 500 companies from Slovenia and abroad, we have prepared the first major update of BC Social. I will introduce only 7 key improvements that make BC Social better organized and make you more efficient. If a large number of records on the wall of your community caused you discomfort because of the feeling that you've missed something before, you don't have to worry about it anymore. BC Social now clearly indicates which post you have already read. We've also added a new action ribbon. From now on, you can create a new document, task or folder with only one click. You can now find documents and folders on a shelf, just like in a proper office. I would like to point out Smart Tools. With Smart Tools, everything that BC Social predicts you will need at the moment will be at your fingertips. Current folder, current documents, and current groups. Smart Tools show your personal list of open tasks and unchecked changes that are aimed specifically at you or refer to your work and your assignments. Now you can also add deadlines to assigned tasks, and so the calendars become one of the key tools for the overview of your open activities. Furthermore, we've improved the safety of BC Social, as we've visually distinguished users and groups and therefore reduced the potential for errors in sharing content or delegating tasks to the wrong users. You are now able to add external users, such as your customers and business partners, to your community completely for free. The cooperation with external users will now be as effective as the work in your company. We've also improved search mechanisms and added a preview of documents or their properties. You will no longer have to open documents while searching or confirming tasks. Invite your customers and business partners into your BC Social community and tackle the problem of document exchange and delegating tasks by email.